Did you know you can get high-quality PC games for free every single week? No catch, no subscription, completely free, and you can keep it forever. Today I'll show you exactly how to use Epic Games to build a massive game library without spending a cent. First, go to the Epic Games website and click Sign Up. You can register using your email, Google, PlayStation, Xbox, or other accounts. Once you're in, download the Epic Games Launcher. This is where you'll manage and play your games. Open the Epic Games Launcher or website and go to the Store tab. Scroll down until you see the Free Games section. There are usually one or two games available completely free, but sometimes even a complete series like the Arkham or Tomb Raider collections. Click on the game, then hit the Get button. You'll go through a checkout page, but don't worry, it will say $0. Complete the checkout, and the game is yours forever. As you can see in my library, these aren't just random indie or low-effort games. There are plenty of AA and AAA titles here too, including some really popular, critically acclaimed big-name games. Epic Games updates their free games every week, usually on Thursdays at around 5 p.m. Central European Time. If you miss a week, the game is gone, so make sure to check back regularly. To never miss a free game, you can turn on notifications or follow Epic Games on social media. Sometimes they even do daily free games, like during the holidays in December. So if you stay consistent, you can build a massive library for free.